We will just introduce us some evaporative ones that require airflow to take away the heat from our body, right? So what if we, in a very hot and airtight environment, you may wonder.
Yes.
So it comes for you. What we'll introduce next is a high-tech product, cooling vest with phase-changing material packs.
And talking about phase-change material, actually, it's our first time hearing this term.
Yes, actually, in our daily life, phase-changing material has been widely used by many professionals in various industrial fields, such as aerospace, construction, apparel industry, our clothing industry, and also the communication industry and the power industry. So it's with the great future perspective, and it's quite promising.
And I heard you said the temperature control and energy saving. So what makes PCM such a hit in this field?
Actually, first of all, our PCM face cooling material is bio-based material, and it's eco-friendly, innovative material. So it's harmless to the environment. It has no pollution, whether air or water. Yes. And besides, it has very good latent heat feature. So it can store and release more energy in the transition process. Also, it has very good reversibility feature. So even if it has been used for thousands of times, it will still keep its very good physical status.
So can you explain to us how does PCM works, or what is the working principle?
Sure, no problem. So let me tell you an actual case of PCM instead. Recently, I read news about PCM in-house building, and it is by a Japanese constructor, and he used it in the house design. Actually, he designed the PCM combined roof. So as you roof, the house roof. So as you can imagine, on the top of the house, it's like installing a central air conditioner on the top of the house, right? But it's more energy saving compared with the real air conditioner one. And also with the face cooling material features, the roof is actually like energy storage.
Energy storage.
When the temperature is very low, it gets frozen, the material, and it absorbs plenty of cold energy within it. But when the temperature rises up in the daytime, it melts. The material melts and releases the cold energy back to the house. So it absorbs lots of hot energy instead. And with this energy exchanging process, it keeps the house cool during the hot summer and very stable temperature, And our company cooling vest with the PCM packs exactly uses features to cool our body in airtight working circumstances. Different from evaporative ones, it is a heat exchanging process between our body and the PCM packs that makes this key principle for PCM.
Okay. So it sounds like it's making a microclimate control system around our body, or turning on a small air conditioner.
Yeah, you made a very vivid description and quite impressive, And now let me to give our audience a detailed introduction of our PCM packs. Our PCM packs are very popular cooling products recently. The outer material is made of the TPU material that is totally eco-friendly and disposable. And the inner liquid is totally bio-based.
Bio-based.
So it even reaches the food grade.
Food grade?
So
can we drink it?
No, do not drink it. I know you are thirsty, but do not drink
the
liquid.
Okay, not eatable.
So usually at the room temperature, it's in the liquid state. But it's very soft and easy to carry.
Right.
However, after being put into the icy water for a while, it gets frozen and it is in solid state, as hard as a rock.
Yeah, so hard.
Yeah. So for temperature choices, we usually provide three types. 15 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius, and 24 degrees Celsius. And actually, the temperature number has already been printed on the packs.
So do we have other temperature choices?
Sure, we can do other temperature customization.
Like 26 centigrade?
Maybe.
26?
Yeah, but then the MOQ will be different, maybe. So if you want if you need the detailed information about our PCM packs, I think you can consult through the catalog.
Yes.
Asking us our sales, right? So now for you to have a better understanding of how PCM packs different states look like and how it changes from the liquid state into the solid state. We will check together with you by putting it into the icy bucket water.
Yes. Wow, totally cool.
Very cool. So later, after 20 minutes, we will to check it with you together
and show our customers.
Yeah. And
so, as our buyers may concern, how about the certificate that we have?
Actually, our product has passed the European REACH test.
Oh, European.
And also, we have the MSDS sheet.
MSDS sheet. Wow, it touches my professional feeling. So, what is MSDS sheet? And you said SVHC test.
Yeah. Actually, let me explain with great patience. SVHC refers to the substance of very high concern. The substance that is poisonous.
Poisonous?
Yeah, can poison you, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. And they are being strictly limited by the European institutions. And the products or goods that contain SVHC are required by the European Chemical Agency to do SVHC REACH test to see whether substance content is within the specified proportion range.
So who will need to do the SVHC REACH test?
Actually, subjects like the European manufacturers, importers, and also non-European manufacturers all have the obligations to issue the notification of SVHC REACH test report towards the downstream consumers. And as for the MSDS sheet, material safety data sheet, is a document required by the law that chemical manufacturers and importers are obligated to illustrate the physical and chemical properties, as well as its impact on user health. And actually, the MSDS system has been widely established worldwide.
So how many countries have adopted this MSDS system?
Such as US, Japan, European Union, and other developing countries has already adopted this system. And having these two essential documents means our company has the qualification to do the trading, to trade the cooling vest with PCM. And for consumers who are still, our customers who are still not very clear about our MSDS sheet and also the SVHC test, you just need to check these documents with our sales through the catalog, and we will explain it with great details.